Guys, so I've decided to try that viral beauty blender hack, and as you can see, I've got my beauty blenders in a little like bowl container sort of thing, and I've put some hot water mixed with cold water and some washing up liquid in there. I've got 3 beauty blenders in there, and yeah, I'm gonna put this in a microwave and we're gonna see if this is gonna work. As you can see, the water's turning color already, so let's hope for the best. Just putting the thing in the microwave, and I'm gonna set my timer to I think 1.5 minutes, and we're gonna see if it works. Hopefully my beauty blenders don't explode. So we've got about 12 seconds left. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm gonna remove the thing now. This is how the water is looking. It looks very dirty. I know it's a bit hot. This is one beauty blender. I'm gonna rinse out the water so we can really see if this hack has worked. So personally, I've just like rinsed it a bit and tried to squeeze the water out of it. Personally, I don't really think this hack works. This one was already kind of clean anyways, so yeah, that's why that one is like that. But these two that were really dirty, I didn't really see the difference it made. Like, it's still dirty. So yeah, the hack does not work for me. Yeah, you lot can try it out though. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think. Yeah, so I don't know, I just don't buy this hack. I don't buy this hack at all. Look at it, still dirty. I mean, it looks better, but it's still dirty, do you get what I mean? So yeah, the hack doesn't really work. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you check out my other videos too. Check out my new video that I just dropped, my green makeup look, and also check out my bronzed and cute makeup look for spring, because it's spring and you know we need to be looking cute. So I'm gonna see you lots later. Catch you lots in my next video. Hashtag #GetTheDamiGlow every day. Use my hashtag on Instagram as well. Yeah, and I'm gonna catch you lots in a bit. So I'm out.